You are being haunted by migraines. This is your way out. Thank you. My name is Jeff. Thank you for watching. Um, I'm a therapist in energy medicine. I have been doing this for the last 15 years. And in this video, I will share with you a technique to dissolve migraines. Okay? Um, First thing that you can do is stand in front of a mirror and check the ears. Okay, most people have one ear higher than the other. Okay, it can be tilted to the left, it can be tilted to the right a little bit. um, it has everything to do with how many times do you say yes while you think no. Okay, that's two signals to a place that can make only one movement. I can say yes or I can say no. When I think no and I say yes, it's two signals, like I said, opposite signals, to a spot that can make only one move. So this one gets off balance. Okay? What happens then is the artery that is feeding your head with oxygen and with blood, it gets blocked, okay, because of the disbalance here. The artery gets blocked. So you get less oxygen in your head. Okay, so tiredness, difficulty concentrating, and of course the migraines. Okay, there they come. Now, how do I solve it? That's the important thing for you to know. We're gonna start simple. Okay, put your hands together and rub your hands. Really rub your hands together. Okay, and then what happens is, of course, you feel the temperature rising. And then when you keep your hands off, when you take your hands apart a little bit, you feel like a ball. You are holding a ball of energy. Okay? So I give my intention, a straight neck and relaxed muscles. Okay, that's the intention I want to get. And then I put my fingers behind my earlobes. Okay? Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. Let the energy flow through your hands. And when you feel that your body wants to move, like mine is doing now, your body will straighten itself out, and you just let it unfold until all the movement stops. Okay? And then look at your ears again. I will promise you they will be straight. Okay? And that means the artery is free again. Your head gets more oxygen. There's more clarity and there's less headaches. Yeah? Try it for yourself. Let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Thank you. Bye.